Good day, America. This is J.W. Scroggy, and I'm running for president. We're here in Venice Beach, and it's day 301 of this campaign. And come lately, I've been talking to you about taking off work and trying to get this campaign off its feet and running. Well, today's the day. We're taking off work. I'm only working 2 days a week now, and Party America's joining. We're here in the flesh, starting the party right now at Venice Beach, Party America, USA. We're going to have a meeting once a week on the beach. One, to get right with nature. To let nature's all around us. It's beautiful. We have to respect nature for what it is and what it gives us. Meeting on the beach, giving thanks every week needs to happen. Secondly, we're trying to get ideas. We're trying to act local. What can we do now to help our community? What can we talk about to help our community? Local farming, using the sun resource, solar. It is time for Americans to start thinking rational and get out of this Mary Poppins fake dream world where stocks are all-time high, where all we do is consume. There's no production in America anymore. It's time to wake up and understand, and Party America is going to do it. Scroggy 16.